Here's some more elevators right here. And just open right there. These are the higher elevators. Now these are fast. My ears are really popping. L. Love how the door close button works. Door close, you press the button. These are your innovation decorator fixtures. I had a lot of fun exploring this hotel. Watch the door open this time. There's a map right there. Okay, I guess it's gonna stay on peak up, so that'll be it.